How can you know if your employees use your work devices, the computer of the work, for their personal use? Hi, my name is Angel. I am from wolfeye.de, and this is what I would like to talk about in this video. So basically, you are a business owner, you have employees, and you're concerned about if they use the company's computer to do personal things. Either it is that they are working for someone else at working hours, or that they are always surfing online or on Facebook or whatever, or be it that they use it basically to do other personal things, even if it's outside working hours. This might mean a threat to your IT security. So there are a lot of programs that you can install into the employees' computers to um, basically to prevent basically a lot of personal usage. Or, and that's the other option that you have, um, or you install a computer monitoring software on the computer of your employees that will allow you to see everything that they do, to see it because it is saved like a protocol, or also because it's made screenshots on a regular basis that you can check at a later date, or because you see basically whenever you want the live computer screen of your employee's computer, whenever you want, without them noticing, remotely through the internet. And basically, that option I would like to present to you because um, one software that you can use, and that's what I would like to demonstrate here to you, is a software called Wolfeye Remote Screen. Wolfeye Remote Screen, it's a software that you can download here from our website at wolfeye.de, yeah, at wolfeye.de, and you can download it for free within a trial period. And basically what it does is the following. This is wolfeye.de. Wait, let me show you. You, you download it, and to install it, you just hit the application and the control window of a Wolfeye Remote Screen will appear. Um, to run it, you have to click this green button that says Share Screen. And the moment you hit it, the program shows you a link. It shows you a link. And that's basically a URL, a link. Under this link, the moment you click that button, you will see the live computer screen of this computer that I am at right now. You will see it through that link. So basically, this link you can open in any browser remotely. For example, on your smartphone or on your personal computer from anywhere in the world, and you will see from this computer the live computer screen. To give you a small to show you how it works, it has this white button that says open URL. You will never need this button, but you can use it to see it. I click it on it, and the browser opens that link. So basically you see how it shows the live screen. It's like a screenshot that updates every 3 seconds, or 2 to 3 seconds basically. And yeah, and that's it. Also, because this link is very crypted, you have this button that says the gray button that says email URL. You hit it and can enter your email address so that this link will be sent to your email. And you just can open the link through your smartphone by clicking on the email that you received. And finally, of course, you want that this piece of software runs in stealth mode, hiddenly in the background, and runs whenever the system is restarted without the user noticing anything of the surveillance. And for that, you have this blue button that says Hide plus Win Startup. You hit it, it disappears, goes into the stealth mode, and the user will notice nothing. And basically, you can also go to the task manager and see that you will not find the entry under the app. It's under processes, and you will have to search for it. Will You can rename the application to whatever you want, and that name will be here basically. So that's will hide itself very, very effectively. So that's basic. That's basically it. I'm sorry. If you would like to try to test it, go to our website, to wolfeye.de. You see here the URL, wolfeye.de, to the homepage, and you will find a download button that will allow you to, for free, to download the software, test it within a trial period. And if you need help setting up the software, um, then just contact us. We will be very, very happy to help you. One last note, this piece of software is like it's a monitoring software. Basically, it allows you to spy on another computer, and that's why antivirus programs they do detect it. They detect this piece of software, and that's why you must, before you download the software, you must put an exception into the exception list of your antivirus program. How to do that? We have That's why we have written and made a small video tutorial. You will not need nothing else but to see before you download the software to see this video tutorial. So go to tutorial here. Yeah? Watch this 9-minute video tutorial before you download the software so that you know how to do also the exception in your antivirus program. So your antivirus will run normally, scan everything, but exclude the folder and exclude Wolfeye Remote Screen from the scan. So please watch the tutorial before you use Wolfeye Remote Screen. And if you would like us to guide you through the installation process, or if you have any questions, come to wolfeye.de and contact us through email. You will find the contact information here through email, or you can even write us a WhatsApp or call us. So we will be very happy from here for you. I hope this helps. Have a nice day.